future entrance into the high school, and we're going to access this through the temporary construction roadway that allows the contractor and the construction work to get into the basement or the lower level. As we see on this side is the gymnasium, and just to try and get into a perspective, we got some foundations and anchor bolts over there that show the south wall of the auditorium. And so we're entering into the competition gym, and around the perimeter you'll see there's masonry walls that create storage spaces underneath the running track that happens or occurs up above. But the contractors have worked with a VDC process which does a virtual design. So they're putting this building together in virtual environment. That allows them to locate all the pieces and parts that come and get assembled into the building. And that also allows them to fabricate and assemble pieces and parts off-site, and then they can come in and then they just put it in place and make the connection. So if you look over here at this rack of pipe, you can see some of that pre-assembly work that they've done. To the auxiliary gym, and you can see the running track runs around that, so it goes through the wall panels here. So this building has 5 chillers, and we're utilizing a geothermal well system which utilizes the ground source for the water to be able to dissipate the heating and cooling depending on that. And then the chillers work as if they're heat pumps, but in order to be able to provide enough energy for this building to heat and cool this building, we have a total of 5 chillers. In order to be able to distribute that water throughout the building, these chillers will get tied into this header piping. So one of the things that's nice about going around at this time during the construction is you can see all the infrastructure, more of the infrastructure that goes into a building to get it to operate. This will be your locker room floor level at this level, and then the deck is going to go out at that same elevation, and then from there we're going to dig down and then construct the pool. Seating risers that are they'll extend out over here, so that'll be a supported slab. So the entry to the pool facility is going to be up on this main level, it'll be at grade, and there's a stairway and an elevator over there. So that'll be your entrance, and then you'll be able to enter on and then have access to the balcony, and so that's where spectators will do. The swimmers will come down in here, and then they'll have the locker rooms, and then we'll be able to access the pool at this lower level. Aspect about this construction, because the swimming pool is going to be underground and we wanted to maintain a uniform surface on the inside, the pool facility or structure was built of precast wall panels that are full height. So as a result, the backfilling on the outside of that pool. And one of the things we're doing in order to be able to reduce the amount of hydraulic pressure on the foundation is to use what we call geofoam. You can see the precast is waterproofed, we have insulation, then there's a drainage mat, and then we have the backfill, and then these big chunks of styrofoam then are used to backfill. So they look like they should be pretty light, but I'd probably want somebody on the other end to get it lifted up.